Now, here's a feature that has really, not been given the love and attention that it deserves. This is called Liquiscan. Liquiscan is updated every hour, I believe, throughout the day. There's still some visual updates that I have to apply to here, but this is operational and has been around for a little while now. So Liquiscan will show you ticker by ticker. We'll do SPY, for example. The liquidity profile, right? And this is more of an advanced kind of set of concepts that we're about to dive into here. But even for newcomers, you can gain a lot of understanding as to how a ticker wants to move with this. So by inputting SPY, we have a report date from today, and this shows the percent aggressive and passive of the order types that are coming through for the options of SPY. So we see that 67% were aggressive today. This is for calls and puts. And of course, the other half or third is going to be passive. Then we can then see the volume of it, and we can see that calls are being transacted in a more aggressive manner than puts, right? So we're seeing about 67.5% aggression from call orders and about 66.3% in put aggression. And then we can also see the passive of percent of calls and passive percent of puts. When you have orders sitting in the order book, you will typically see the passive percentages go up, and if orders are being sent out of suppose you could assume unexpected points in time, those will show up as aggressive orders. So that's kind of the simple way to look at it. Aggressive orders are for unexpected circumstances or repositioning, whereas passive orders are orders that are waiting to be executed. So this is super powerful. Just really simple, but so powerful. If I remove the section for SPY here, I can set the date of the report as well over here. I'm not going to do that just yet. But then we have liquidity signals that are generated from this. So, if anything's in green, it's going to mean bullish. If it's in red, it means bearish. So if we go to, win right here, we have 6 signatures of liquidity alerts. We can see that the aggressive volume was greater than the previous day. So yesterday's or last Friday's was 224 aggressive volume, and today was 823. So that's a 4x almost increase. The put volume increased almost 100%. The aggressive put volume increased. Now this might tell you, if it's aggressive puts and it's looking to be bullish, it probably means that a lot of puts were being sold, right? Puts were being moved actively instead of just passively sitting in the order book and being executed at the midpoint. We can also see that the purchased call volume was greater than the previous day, almost 100% higher. The purchased put volume increased significantly. That's a 20x increase, it looks like, from 14 to 358. And the sold put volume, even more aggressive in terms of percentages, from 5 puts being sold to 218. So this is for every ticker that exists in the market with options. Super powerful. Hood, for example, Robinhood, aggressive volume from 0 to 345. All of these were originally zeroed values, and we're seeing aggressive call volume go up to 170. It's just, this will tell you and show you where things are being renavigated. This is the big players actually moving in and out, and you can see it in real time. So we're going to do a lot more coverage of this very soon. But again, MSTR here, same thing. Crypto's going on a rampage over the last 6 or 8 hours. And we can see that today we saw a bunch of aggressive call volume hitting the tape, almost a 3x increase. The purchased call volume, almost a 4x increase. We see some sold call volume, but not as much as the purchased. And sold put volume up almost 5x. So that's obviously a very bullish indication. And of course, this is market wide. So anything and everything that you want, you will find it here.